P-Raw, sharing some of those puncture patch tips. I've been using this kind of thing for a number of years, but I haven't actually needed to use it. These, like orange juice, OJ cartons, whatever, you can cut these up or just fold them up to your desired size. Make great tyre boots versus what they give you in some of these glueless patch kits. This pretty much is a piece of flex tape which I'm carrying in here. Got a few squares I cut up. I made this last night actually, and a bigger piece there. I carry a couple of blades for shaping things depending like what the injury to the poor tyre casing is. Carry various glueless patches. We have these which are thin. They're all pretty good tacky patches. The part tool, I've been using these probably for like 20 years or something. And you've got these. There's so many out there. These are like a bit more spongy, a bit thicker. But glue and patches is still good, alright. It's worked for a long time. But the main problem is getting the adhesion on like the tube, so you'd need to prepare the area and then get some of these. Like you can get like 100 for like £2 or something off the bay. We have probably, I don't know, a metre of like Gorilla Tape in there, a little bit of insulation tape. What else have we got? Not a lot else really. That's kind of your puncture kit. That's all you kind of need, and then just like stick it inside something like that. Alright. Another bit there. Again, things vary in thicknesses, so you've got to decide what you may not need to carry, but all of that packs down flat. Everything you're going to need for you and someone else. That's why I carry what I carry, to help other people out as well. But definitely this flex tape, which I was using on a car hose actually, on an engine, with really good results. And I thought, well, last night I was thinking, what can I use to stick on that aerothan tube? So we used some of that. You try pulling it off once you've prepared the surface by getting all the grease and whatever off film, using some of that. Alright, so that's all this kind of thing you probably should be carrying really. Don't just carry those, because you can end up in a right mess. And then you get a bunch of people, you get like 15 people out of like 20 people saying, oh, glueless patches are crap or whatever. No, they're not. You just don't know how to use them. P-Raw over and out. Them quality videos, that's what matters.